Hello, I am Buitrago, a urologist and sexologist, and today I am going to teach you how to put on a condom correctly step by step. It may seem simple, but making mistakes is much more common than you think, and that can lead to accidents you don't want to have. So stay with me because this information is vital for your safety and that of your partner. I will guide you through each step, and if at any point you want to skip to a particular step, I will leave the timestamps in the description. However, I recommend watching the entire video because every detail matters for using the condom correctly and safely. Many men put on the condom intuitively, but with mistakes that can cause it to break. Don't take the risk. If you think this information is important, give it a like, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel to access more vital content on sexuality. First, check the expiration date. Make sure that the condom is within its validity period. You will find this date on the box and on the packaging. Second, check the condition of the packaging. The condom should feel like a small cushion, which indicates that the packaging is intact. Third, open it correctly. Do not use your teeth or nails to open it. Use the slits in the packaging, and do it with the tips of your fingers. Fourth, place it properly. With the penis erect, you will take out the condom, leaving the fold facing up, as if it were a Mexican hat. This way, it will be able to unroll easily. Fifth, remove the air. You should hold it with the tips of your fingers and take it this way so that the air comes out of the tip, because that air, with movement, can cause the condom to break. We will take this small device as an example. We gently unroll it to the base of the penis. Sixth, safe removal. You should hold it at the moment of ejaculation. You should hold it from the base of the penis. When you have ejaculated and the penis still has some degree of rigidity, you hold it this way to ensure that no seminal fluid escapes. I emphasize that the penis should still be slightly erect so that you can remove it safely without any fluid escaping. Seventh, proper disposal. Pour the contents of the condom into the toilet and then throw it in the trash. Do not flush it down the toilet because it can clog the water pipes. This way, you will use the condom correctly. I also want to remind you that my Perfect Lover course is now available in Spanish with English subtitles, where I teach you how to become a better lover. I'll leave the link in the description, so take a look and consider it to improve your skills in intimacy. Your partner will love it. And something more. The first 1,000 subscribers to my channel will enter the draw for 2 courses of the Perfect Lover. So if you liked the video, click the like button, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, and share the video to participate. Don't miss it. See you in the next video.